Do you have trouble getting Tailwind IntelliSense to work with TypeScript? Then let's solve it. So first of all, we have to create a .ps code folder which will allow us to manually configure settings for this folder only. So what we are going to do is create a settings.json file inside of this folder and create an object in that file where we are just going to use a Tailwind CSS experimental.config file. This will allow us to manually add our Tailwind configuration file over here. So what we are going to do is remove the null and replace it with forward slash whatever our file name is. So after this, you can just simply go to any of your file and you can start using Tailwind IntelliSense. If it doesn't work for you, what you have to do, like it's not working for me, what you have to do is just open up your outputs and just change it to Tailwind CSS Intellisense and see here. It says slash tailwind config.ts does not exist. It is because the address is totally wrong. We have to check it inside of our tasky folder and it's checking inside of C. So for to fix this, what we have to do, use dot and save it. So it will start rendering it and it will start build our IntelliSense, and then we can just simply go here and start using Tailwind IntelliSense. So if this fixes your problems of Tailwind IntelliSense not working with TypeScript, then make sure you hit the subscribe button and like this video and share it with your friends who are facing similar kind of problems with Tailwind IntelliSense. I'll see you in the one. Till then, peace out.